अब मैं करता हूँ।
Women's right in Pakistan is a big question, often raised in the West. It is believed that women have no rights or privileges in the male-dominated society of Pakistan. The women in Pakistan have been constantly complaining of having been isolated from the mainstream of society. Women feel disillusioned on being maltreated by the male-oriented setup in Pakistan. They strongly claim that if they are given a chance, they can contribute more positively towards the development of all social aspects. However, the Pakistani society usually adopts a hostile attitude towards the women. Their development in society is hindered due to many factors. The Pakistani women live in the most diversified locations of the tribal, feudal or urban environments. She can be a highly qualified and self-confident professional or a definite peasant toiling along with her male folks. Zia-ul Haq initiated a process of Islamization by introducing discriminatory legislation against women such as the Hudud Ordinance.
It's very strange in Pakistan that whenever you talk about religion, you think about the woman. Just to shut the woman in the four walls, that's the religion. And they are so ignorant people, they don't even know about religion.
Although the Child Marriages Restraint Act makes it illegal for girls under the age of 16 to be married, the incidence of child marriages can still be found. The young girls are forcibly married off in order to resolve the feuds between different clans.
जब तालीम चूँकि नहीं है तो वो बेचारी बच्चियों को इतना घोट के पाला जाता है कि वो कुछ बोल नहीं सकती। हमारे यहाँ भी काम करती है लड़की 13 साल की है, उसका वो निकाह एक 10 साल के बच्चे से कर रहे हैं। मैंने कहा बेटी आप स्टैंड लें और ना कर दें, चाहे आपको मारें पीटें कुछ करें, उसे कहना मैं नहीं शादी करूँगी, मैं निकाह ही नहीं करूँगी, तो निकाह होगा नहीं, गुनाह होगा।
A majority of the victims of honor killing are women and the punishment meted out often tend to be lenient. Many cases of honor killing have been reported against women who marry against their family's wishes, who seek divorce or who have been raped.
मर्द को नहीं मारेंगे ना, क्योंकि मर्द इज मैन इज अ मेल, उसको कौन टच करे?
सदा कहाँ से मिले हमारे यहाँ सदा इसलिए नहीं मिलती है कि जो करवाने वाले हैं वही बड़े लोग हैं, जागीरदार हैं।
Despite the improvement in Pakistan's literacy rate since its independence, the education status of Pakistan women is among the lowest in the world. The literacy rate for urban women is more than 5 times the rate of rural women.
सख्त नाइंसाफ़ी है ये तो। अल्लाह ताला ने तो दोनों को हक दिया है कि आप लड़की को भी तालीम के ज़ेवर से आरास्ता करें और लड़के को भी करें।
Rape is one of the most common crimes against women but grossly underreported due to the shame attached to the victim. Many cases of sexual harassment and acid attacks have been reported.
जब तक आपके सर पे किसी का हाथ ना हो आप ये हरकत कर ही नहीं सकते। उनको पूरी प्रोटेक्शन हासिल है ऊपर के लोगों की, लिहाजा वो धड़ल्ले से सब काम करते हैं, वो डरते ही नहीं।
One and the only crime in which the victim has to suffer the punishment, because if a girl is raped, her whole life is in trouble. For her whole life she is stigmatized.
Many cases of bride burning due to dowry issues have been reported in Pakistan. In some cases, accidents are engineered, such as the tampering of a kitchen stove to cause a victim's death, or the victims are set ablaze, claimed to be yet another accident or suicide.
Woman is a non-entity. उसको चाहे कुछ भी कर दो। आज एक के साथ शादी हुई है, पसंद नहीं आई, निकालो, दूसरे के साथ शादी करो।
आप डरते क्यों हैं मर्दों से? क्या कर लेंगे आपका वो? आप सब मिलकर अगर इकट्ठा एक दफ़ा आवाज़ उठाएंगे तो फिर आपकी सुनवाई होगी।
Domestic violence is not explicitly prohibited in Pakistani domestic law, and most acts of domestic violence are encompassed by the Qisas and Diyat ordinance. The police and the judges often tend to treat domestic violence as a non-justifiable, private or family matter, or even an issue for civil courts rather than criminal courts.